Division of Zamboanga del Norte, Ma'am Maharani M. Jacinto, Sir Bezer B. Krampatanta, the Fatherly District Supervisor of Sindangan Central, Barangay Chairwoman Cherry Laputan, our PTA President Mr. Elmer Charcos, the teaching force of Buyos Elementary School headed by Ma'am Alicia C. Ugis, fellow graduates, and to our dear parents, good morning to all. Today is a very special day for all of us. It is a day filled with joy, pride, and gratitude. As we stand here completing our elementary journey, our hearts are full of appreciation for the many people who helped us reach this important milestone. First and above all, we thank God who guided us through every challenge and every success. Through the long days of studying, the difficult lessons, and even the moments when we felt like giving up, His guidance and blessings helped us. To our parents, guardians, and families, this achievement belongs to you as much as it belongs to us. Thank you for the endless love, sacrifices, and support. You woke up early to prepare us for school, helped us with our homework, and cheered for us, even when things were not easy. Your faith in us gave us the strength to keep dreaming and keep trying. To our friends and classmates, thank you for the memories that we will never forget. The laughter in the classroom, the teamwork during activities, and the friendships that made our elementary years so meaningful. We grew together, learned together, and supported each other along the way. Bisan man og sige ta og away. Magsigig pabuto ang mga laki, magsigig kasuko og yaw-yaw ang mga bayi. But, mingawon gihapon ko ninyo tanan. To our principal, Ma'am Alicia C. Ugis, our teachers, Ma'am Tess, Ma'am Ana Jean, Ma'am Bebe, Ma'am Vilma, Ma'am Liza, Ma'am Mylene, and Sir Cyril, Ma'am Jonah, Ma'am Mara. Words are not enough to express how thankful we are for teaching us the basics and all the lessons in life. And most especially to our advisor, Ma'am Christy Jessa Karumba. Thank you, Ma'am. You did more than just teach us. You taught us how to believe in ourselves, that we can really do things. You taught us how to be kind, how to be helpful, how to be hardworking, and how to never give up. Salamat sa pagpalangga o pag-encourage na mo, Ma'am. Bisan man og pinakabuluyagon kaayo mi. Bisan maglisod mi ilaw. But you loved us, Ma'am. Mingawon minimo, Ma'am, and we will carry your lessons with us wherever we go. As we close this chapter of our lives, we carry with us not only knowledge, but also the values, friendships, and memories that will guide us in the future. Though we may go on different paths, we will always remember where our journey began. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you to everyone who believed in us and supported us and helped us reach this day. Congratulations to my fellow graduates, and thank you very much.